Guys, I am here today giving you an update. If you're wondering about how my office is going, it is great. Ernie, by the way, is behaving himself. No bumps in the night, craziness, not bothering our contractor, which is wonderful. So check out some of the clips of what's going on.
Holy crap.
Oh,
Shit.
yeah.
Oh my god, this room is so big. I can't believe it. It's awesome. So Spirit has an amazing way of bringing the people that we need into our lives at the right time. PDQ is one of those, and the amazing Josh has been doing this amazing work on the house, and I'm going to call him over and have him talk about it for a moment. This is Josh, PDQ. It's amazing. He has this knack of putting up these amazing structures while I'm at work. So I come home and I see, oh, there's windows and walls. Oh, I have a door. It is wonderful. I love it. He has a knack of doing that. So why don't you tell us a little bit about PDQ?
PDQ is a veteran-owned company. I served in the Navy for 10 years. I've been building probably for about 20 years now, between working with my stepfather and being a mechanic. All that stuff comes natural to me, so pretty easy to start up the business. I got a good vision about things, so it's easy to kind of help people build as they talk to me during their estimates. Give them a real detailed idea of what they're getting themselves into. The company itself is going pretty good so far. We get great customers like Dawn here, and I touch base on pretty much anything. I'll do first builds, I'll do any sort of remodel, repairs, anything that I can't handle. I know a lot of people. I do have roofers. I got two plumbers. I have a whole team of electricians. Whatever you need us to get our hands on, we can do for you.
So give him a call. It's been great. And again, Ernie's not been bothering him. Have you felt Ernie? Has he given you any grief?
No, when I first got here, I gave him a high five to the face, and he hasn't bothered me since.
He's got a good humor about that. So guys, that's it for today. If you like what you're seeing, like my channel. If you have anything you'd like to see covered, put it in the comments below. And I'm going to let this guy get back to work.
Oh, yeah.